Today is a gloomy, rainy, cold fall day, and I love it. I'm wearing a sweatshirt, which makes me happy, and I'm also wearing some comfortable little jogging pants. Today is Sunday, and I want to take this day to get ready for the week. If I can have my things done and all set up, the week just seems to run a lot smoother, so that's what we are gonna do today. Got the laundry hanging up behind the door in the laundry room, and then in the dryer, the things that don't need hung up are drying right now. Currently in this household, we have the Ravens and the Giants are playing today. Timothy is rooting for the Ravens. Usually we have Lions on, but today they're not playing. This is their bye week. And poor Lions. Every year, everybody gets their hopes up and they do really well starting out. But what was the show you guys were watching?
Hard Knocks.
Hard Knocks. And they fell in love with it. They all got their hopes up. They were like, this is the year, this is the year. And it started out really good, right? And then, Rocky.
Yeah. Well, we lost the first game, then we won the second, and then we lost every game since.
Yeah, so, oh well. You guys get a little vacation, though, today.
Yeah. Break from the stress.
Oh, look. You look like how I feel, all snuggled under a blanket because you're shivering. You okay, honey?
Yeah.
Dryer just shut off. Yep, they feel dry, so I'm going to get these folded. The towel that I was using for Cooper, we just got these. They're really, really good towels. They have, this side looks like this, and this side is like fuzzy, and it really sops up the water. And it says Paw Pup. We found them on Amazon. I will have them linked below. This one is gray, and then we have one more, and it is brown. But it also has like a little hand pocket, so you can dry them off really well, too. They wash up good, they dry good, they dry him good. I recommend these if you're looking for a towel to dry off your sweet little fur baby this winter and into spring. Me and Jason are sitting here reading through your comments from Vlogtober day 1. You guys are cracking us up. Karen said she only watches scary movies if her daughter's seen it first, and then it tells her when to cover up her eyes. I so do that. All my guys do that. I'm like, they're like, Mom, cover your eyes. And I'm like, and I'm like, is it done? Is it done? The whole time. And Susan, you said if I end up ever going to Dallas, let you know because you would love to meet up. Girl, I am there. I would love to do a meetup. That would be so fun. Shelly says she can't watch scary stuff or they get scrambled in her dreams, and that's not fun. Here, I am the same exact way. I end up with nightmares. No, thank you. All right, me and Jason are just dying over here about this one. NF fan said, I'm not a horror movie fan, but have always loved Michael Myers movies. Those are horror movies, right? Right, Jason? Yeah. And then Deborah, oh my goodness gracious. You don't like horror movies at all, but these days, if you want to see something scary, you're just gonna open your electric bell. Yep, same here. Oh, we need to clip on some lights. Let's see, does this help? Nah, not really. We just got back from taking Cooper for a walk. It is chilly out there. It's 51 degrees and it's still raining off and on. But I told Tim, I said, it's funny to think that we used to camp in Michigan in this kind of weather and we were perfectly fine. And now, living here for like 7 years, I'm really cold. Sunday is usually the day that we get our meats cut up if we have to cut up chicken, and we get them split up into what meals that we are preparing this week. I like to look through my meals for the week and I get any meats out of the freezer to be able to use those. I also have to figure out what one I want tomorrow specifically. For tomorrow's meal, I'm gonna have tuna noodle casserole, and then I don't have to worry about thawing out any meats for tomorrow's meal. I have 2 chicken meals and a burger, and then I also have a roast. The roast, because we're gonna have that on Saturday, I'm gonna leave that in the freezer once we get it packaged up. And it's gonna stay in there for until Wednesday, and we'll set it out Wednesday, and then we'll be using that Saturday. I'm gonna quickly grab the hamburger out of this freezer. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. We always put ours in 1 pound packages, so I only need 1 of these for the tater tot casserole. We have the meats setting out to get them split up. We like to keep our meats in freezer bags. I'm gonna grab out these freezer bags, set them right by the meats, and then we also write on them with a marker. Usually we wrap the roast and stuff up into freezer paper, but we're not doing that this time. We're just gonna put it in a 2-gallon freezer bag. Call that good for the roast. For the hot dogs, we wrap them up individually, however many we needed per package, and then we put all of them into a gallon-sized freezer bag. So that, as a bundle, is gonna go in the freezer. Next is chicken, and I'm gonna get out the bleach wipes for our countertops to be able to wipe them off after the chicken is done. So we're keeping the 2 small packages of chicken for Justin out because he doesn't like tuna noodle casserole or tater tot casserole. So he will be having something with chicken on those 2 nights. And then the other 2 packs of chicken we're putting in the freezer right now. And then I'll just take them out on Tuesday. I am running low on my makeup removing rounds. I use those to take off my makeup every night, and I also use Bioderma Sensibio. I'll have it linked below, and I'm kind of getting low on that. I'm almost positive I have another one. I just want to check back in my cupboard back here and make double sure. Yep, I do. I have a brand new one, so that takes a load off my mind, and I don't have to order another one of those. I'm gonna set that here, this here. And as far as my rounds, I believe those are out in the garage, so we have to head out there really quickly. Yep, there they are, right on the shelf. So I'm gonna grab out one of these and bring them into the house really quickly. We ended up purchasing the box of these at Sam's Club, and I love having them on hand. But I used about half of this bag of them, filled up my little container. That'll be a lot better when I'm reaching for them during the week and ready to take off my makeup at night. They're just right there, all ready and waiting for me. Tomorrow's garbage pickup, so we gotta go around this house and gather up all the garbages and get it put outside. Thank you for all your love and concern about Cooper and his eyes. I will keep you posted on what is going on and what's unfolding as far as the surgery with Cooper's eyes. Once he does get the surgery, I will also let you know how it goes and how he's doing and everything. So thank you so much for that. We truly appreciate all your thoughts, kind words, and your prayers. I love seeing that you guys are enjoying the opening and then the goofiness that's going on in Vlogtober. Your comments are amazing. Keep them coming. You guys are awesome. Now that lunch and dinner and all of that is over with, I stacked the rest of the dishwasher, got that started, so the kitchen is cleaned up for the night. I got a lot done today. I am feeling confident moving into Monday, and I think this week is gonna run pretty smoothly. Let's hope. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you tomorrow. Not quite caught up on Vlogtober? Here are 2 more videos to help you do just that.